My name is Glen Hayward. I'm the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about cooling systems and particularly about the hoses on your vehicle. These hoses circulate the hot water inside of your engine through the radiator, through the fan is pulling the fan or fans, if you will, on the engine are pulling the cool air through the radiator and cooling this thing. Cooling the engine and also keeping these hoses in good shape. But over a period of time, they deteriorate, and interiorly they start to break down, and these have threaded cords that go through these, and over a period of time those cords begin to tear, and the hoses actually begin to swell up, and then they can burst. Why replace these things? Well, if you don't like being stranded on the side of the highway because your car's overheated because the hose blew up, that can be a very costly repair. Number one, if you keep driving the car after it's hot, you do severe damage to the vehicle's engine and the transmission as well, because the same coolant that goes through here, there's a transmission cooler that goes through the radiator, and if that hot coolant gets too hot, it overheats the transmission fluid as well. So it's really important to have these hoses done. I recommend about every 60 to 80,000 miles, especially if you're in Arizona where it's extremely hot. And these engines and hoses are exposed to more heat than the average vehicle out there that has a lot more cool air running through the radiator vents and keeping the thing cool. So get your hoses changed. Have the peace of mind of knowing that you're not going to have a hose explode on you while you're driving on your vacation or just driving to work, and all of a sudden you have to pay for a tow and the repairs and any subsequent damage that may have happened as for the car overheating. So if your car does overheat, don't keep driving, pull over, have it towed. Don't mess around. It could cost you thousands and thousands of dollars for the damage. Thank you.